QuickTime Player is the default media player for our MacBooks, and we can use it to screen record our screen for short tutorials for our students or to record our Google Meet sessions. So let's launch our QuickTime Player. You'll see that I have mine down here in the dock. You might want to put yours there as well, but first let's find it. So I'm going to go up here to the spotlight. It looks like a magnifying glass. Type in QuickTime Player. It will come up for you. For me, since my QuickTime Player is down here, I'm going to launch it. And I want to do a new screen recording. So new screen recording. And over here, that red button is what I will push to actually do my screen recording. But first, I want to make sure that the microphone is going to be picking up what I'm saying. So the internal microphone is set. That way the audio will be recorded as well. So now I'm going to screen record. I push the red button here. I get this memo. Click to record the full screen, or I can drag to record part of the screen if I would like. I'll just record the whole screen. And I'll click here. And I'm recording now. And you can see up at the top this square in a circle. That means that my screen is recording for QuickTime Player. So if I were hosting a Google Meet session, I could do that now. I could go to my Google Chrome and I could be recording any information I was doing here, but say that I am now done. I'm done with my screen record. I'm going to go up here, back to the square in a circle, and it stopped. And now this is what I just created. So I'm going to save it, and I will call this one our test. And I'll just save to the desktop temporarily now. And with QuickTime Player, I do have the ability to do some trimming of what I have created. So I'm going to trim. And I can trim the beginning, say that that's something that I don't want there. If it's in gray and not in this gold rectangle, it will be removed. I could also trim from the end. And you can test and play what's there. So I'm going to say trim. And now it says edited here. So that means this is the new version of the video here. And yes, I want that to be saved and replaced. So now I need to decide where I want to put this video in order for students to see that. So I can either just drag it into my Google Drive here, and then I can provide students with the link if I fix my share settings, or I can attach it to Google Classroom, or if I wanted to, I can go up here since I have my YouTube tab there, and I'm in my school Google account here. So this right here, I can create or post a video. I'm going to say upload video. And I'm going to just drag what I made over, select files to upload. It's going to be this. It does take a little bit to upload, and the longer your video is, the longer it takes to upload. With YouTube, you can work with the title and the description, how public or private you want this to be. And then when you are done and ready, you are going to be publishing it. Then you can just give your students the link and they'll be able to see that on YouTube.